This is Reddish Knob. Very cool place. It's basically just a parking lot here. So, gonna get riding. Saw some trails down at the bottom. Definitely gonna do that. So, after I do that, I'll have another video. Gonna go to Switzer Lake. So, till then. So I don't even know if I have any record time left. I have just rode all the way to Switzer Lake from Reddish Knob, and it was pretty amazing. The problem is that I guess I didn't hit record or my battery died because I had to pull out a new battery. So either way, I didn't get any of that filming. And I'm hoping I have adequate memory because I am going to film it going back up. I don't know. I'm going to make this a short little intro clip for YouTube. This is Switzer Lake, and we're going to go back up this trail, cross streams, go over rocky, muddy terrain. Really awesome stuff. Probably intermediate level. But we'll see what we can get done here. Hopefully I have enough memory. You can see that the DRZ is very muddy. Lots of red clay mud around here, and lots of dark, very dark, rich dirt. It's either this red clay that we have all around here, or it's the really dark stuff. Pretty muddy today. Really loving the trails. Very fun. About your intermediate level here at Switzer Lake.